RCB vs DC match number 32. Today, RCB playing 11. Virat Kohli, right hand batsman, opener. Second, Phil Salt, right hand batsman, foreigner. Number 3, left hand impact player, Devdutt Padikkal. Number 4, captain Rajat Patidar, right hand batsman. 5th, Tim David, right hand batsman, foreigner. 6, wicketkeeper, right hand batsman Jiten Sharma. 7, all-rounder Kunal Pandya, left hand batsman. 8, Romeo Shepherd, foreigner, right hand batsman, all-rounder. And Bhuvneshwar Kumar, fast bowler, right hand bowler. Josh Hazlewood, fast bowler, right hand bowler. Shesh Sharma, impact player, spin bowler. Iqbal Aslam, fast bowler, RCB playing 11. DC playing 11 today. DC. Number 1, Pathiram Nikashna, foreigner. 2, K.R. Rahul, wicketkeeper, right hand batsman. Number 3, Shimran Navi, right hand batsman. Number 4, captain Akshay Patel, left hand batsman. Number 4, David Miller, foreigner. Travis Stapp, right hand batsman, foreigner. Ashutosh Sharma, batsman. Iqbal Nami, for batsman, all-rounder. Luingiri, bowler. T. Natarajan, bowler. And Kuldev Yadav, spin left hand bowler. RCB versus DC, head to head match. RCB versus DC match 6. RCB win 3, DC win 3. Next match after DC versus RCB today, Bengaluru Chennai Sami Stadium, 7:30 PM IST. Live video, Jio Hotstar and Sony TV Star Sports.